Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss about some important lessons of life which helped me throughout. When I was in 10th standard, I remember there was a lesson in English literature, Aim of Education by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In that, Dr. Radhakrishnan says, to be successful in life, three important pillars are opportunity, ability, and grace of God. Now, that time I didn't understand the real meaning of it. But as I grew, as I started working, I started running my own organization, I realized that the true meaning of these three important pillars. Today, after 21 years of successfully running a company, last 12 years being a spiritual life coach, I understand it a little bit more deeper. Now, what I made out of it is opportunity. Now, each and every person gets an opportunity in their life. Then, but why everybody is not successful? So, that is the question I asked myself, and I started digging up. With all the modalities, all the learnings I had, I understood that the opportunity they come in your life, but the risk, the fear of taking that opportunity, whether I will be successful or not, and that fear is nothing but false evidence appearing real, and that comes based on our coding which is there in since childhood. Whatever bad experiences we had in our life, that creates the code inside, and that hampers our confidence level, and the fear grows up. Ability. Does everyone has the ability? Of course, yes. Each and every one of us has all the ability within. We have all the resources inside. But then why don't again people use their ability or come up to their full potential? Because of the belief system they are carrying. Every incident, positive or negative, creates a belief, creates an inner wiring, creates an inner voice that either pushes you or pulls you down. This inner wiring pulls us down, and we think that, I don't have that ability to go ahead in this, or I can't take up that project, I can't do this, I cannot get a better job, I cannot do a business. All this comes within that. Then comes grace of God. Now, yes, it is a debatable question. Some people may say we don't believe in God, some people say we believe in God. Let's put that aside. I personally believe that there is a power which has created the entire universe, the creator of the creator, and the grace of God is that for me. But then who gets that grace of God? The person who is 100% dedicated in their work, is ethical, honest, putting its efforts, and doesn't give up, who considers that failure is a feedback, again rises up. Falling down is not a problem, but being there is a problem. So rise up. Those who rise up, work with dedication, work with ethics, the grace of God is always there with us. So based on my experience, this is what I have derived. Thank you so much.